My name is Cheryl and I am from AhaSlides. So today I would like to introduce to you a very cool features that we just developed. You know, when you have multiple trainers who want to run the same presentation at the same time, and you usually end up making copies, and then everything gets messy with the results. Well, there's actually a new beta feature that handles this. It's called the presenter role. And basically what you do is you invite your trainers. Let me invite myself here as not as an editor but as a presenter, so they can present only but they cannot edit. You click add. What happens is they will see your presentation in their shared with me section. So this is the one, and they can run it whenever they want with their own QR code. You can see I can only view and present this presentation. I can't change any content here. So you keep the control of the content of the presentation. And if I run the session as a trainer, as a presenter, okay, I will run it as a presenter. And when my audience submit, for example, the result, okay, it will show here, and basically it will create a session. It's called session 2. Yeah, just now. And if I go back to clear results, reset results, for example, if I have a new class, it will create the latest session called session 3. Yeah. Oh, and if you update your presentation, they will just click get the latest, and they will get the latest version that you already changed without having to do anything. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to email the changes or ask them to update. And the cool thing is that you can see everybody's reports by clicking this session list box next to your name. It shows all the sessions to choose from. But each channel can only see their own sessions, so everything stays organized automatically. Yeah. So yeah, if you want to try this out, it's called Presenter Role Beta. Pretty handy if you've got a team running the same content. Let's try it out and let us know how you feel about it. You always want to improve. Thank you.